Hi there, students. No strings attached. Okay, if we say something has no strings attached, it's an offer with no conditions or obligations. It's an unconditional offer. So I'm offering this to you and you don't have to do anything in return. But I think I would say beware any deal that says no strings attached. Because the opposite of no strings attached, I think, is the saying there's no such thing as a free lunch. Nothing is free. Everybody always wants something. So there are always strings attached. He lent me his car. No strings attached. Let me buy you dinner. No strings attached. So I'm going to buy you dinner, but you don't have to do anything for me. Well, maybe you do have to listen to what I'm going to propose to you. It's a generous offer with no strings attached, and I think you should take it. There's another saying in English, don't look a gift horse in the mouth. But I think if somebody gives you a horse, a gift horse, then maybe you should check and see the strings attached. Maybe the obligations that come with it. Okay, so no strings attached. This is for you and you don't have to do anything for it. There are no obligations, no conditions to it. This is I think a slightly informal idiom. I think you could use it in a conversation in the pub perfectly. Here's a beer for you. No strings attached. You can take it away with your friends and drink it on your own if you want. Okay, there are various suggestions as to the origin of this. There is one that says it comes from the clothing and textile industry, where if there's a small flaw, a small mistake in a textile, then a string is attached to the flaw so that it's easy to see where it is. So no strings attached would give the idea of perfect. There's another suggestion that it comes from the Babylonian Talmud, in which there's a story about a man who gives his wife a divorce document with a string attached to it. Now, in those days, documents and parchments were always tied with a string. And I think he gave her the divorce with a string attached so that he could pull it back because he didn't really want to give her a divorce. Okay, so with a string. So the strings are conditions. Very often you'll find just this word strings on its own. This comes with strings. There are obligations and conditions that you need to fulfill. Yeah? There are always strings to offers. You've got to do this in return. Or, yes, 20% off. But the string attached is you need to buy 3 of them to get the 20% off. The string. So it's not a no strings attached offer. There are definitely strings to it. I think you could probably use strings in something semi-formal, but be careful and don't use it in something very formal. With conditions or obligations is what I would use in a more formal context. Okay? So, no strings attached. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, no strings attached. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.